circle, circle round and round, rolling, rolling on the ground like the sun or a big blue ball. Circles are so fun for all. Put a square, square, four sides the same, like a window or a picture frame. Boxes, blocks, so nice and neat. Squares are cool and really sweet. Triangle, triangle, pointy and neat. Three little sides and three little feet, like a roof or a pizza slice. Triangles look very nice. A rectangle, rectangle, long and wide, like a door or a big red slide. Two sides short and two sides tall. Find rectangles big and small.